Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the engine, local lightweight model for privacy, or API hosted for power and speed. Gather 1 to 5 GB of focus training prompts, role definitions, and edge case failures so the assistant learns behavior. Once done, create a clean Python virtualenv, install required packages, and verify GPU drivers or secure API keys. Why? Because a stable environment and curated data cut iteration time by half. Make sure to test a minimal chat loop now, don't delay. Next, you either fine-tune the weights or design robust prompt templates. Batch train for 1 to 3 epochs with a 10% validation split to catch regressions. Build intent and slot mapping so the assistant parses user goals reliably. Implement a fallback path and confidence thresholds to avoid hallucinations. Then integrate connectors, webhooks, calendar, and search behind a secure token store. Once these are in place, run end-to-end tests and observe failure modes to iterate quickly, improving prompts or training where needed. Finally, deploy to a staging environment and run load tests. Simulate 100 to 1,000 concurrent users to find bottlenecks. Monitor logs for latency and hallucination rate, and add rate limits, retry logic, and circuit breakers as necessary. If responses go off track, reduce temperature, add guardrail system prompts, and expand the validation examples. That often corrects behavior fast. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the bad exchange, then iterate the prompt or training slice until the failure disappears under deterministic settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.